another Quilt Conversations Live highlight. I'm honored and excited to share I am one of several fiber artists featured in a recent issue of Patchwork Professional. It features artists from around the world. Guess what came in the mail? Remember this from last month? I told you that I was in this magazine. I didn't have the physical magazine. It's a German magazine. It came in the mail. Yes. There's me right down there. It's one of my quilts on the cover with my name. And let's see, what page am I on? It's really an interesting magazine. They have a lot of beautiful modern quilts here and all kinds of art quilts, different ways of fiber artists are using fabric and other fibers to express themselves creatively. Oh, thank you, Rochelle. Thank you. Thank you. So it's an honor and a privilege. I'm very excited, and I'm always amazed that I get contacted from people from halfway around the world who I've never heard of, but they've heard of me. It's amazing. So I'll just go through this very quickly, and eventually we will come to my pages. And they were so wonderful to work with. We did back and forth correspondence, and I was able to take the German magazine. Hey, there I am. International. Yay. And translate the article into English using AI, which is fantastic. AI has some good purposes, right? And because I am a photographer, I go around town here in my area and I take photos of my quilts. So these photos are photos that I took of my quilts in different locations, and I was very pleased to share them with them. So there's a couple more. And look what made it, the recent peaceful portraits. Look, a full page of one of the peaceful portraits. Is that amazing? What an honor. What an honor. And then the article, really, it's all about how I use video for online teaching, how that has transformed my ability to help you ladies with classes, with online live streaming, interviews. They even published, I'm happy to say, a screen grab of me, Latifah, and Guyleen when we were live for the cruise last year, the Caribbean cruise. Do you remember that interview? Yeah, I thought that was fun that they did that. And then there's a look at my studio. So, yep, wonderful article. Pretty excited about it. I think it's wonderful. They sent me 2 copies. Now, if you want to get a copy, you certainly can. They have both a printed copy and a digital copy. You can go to my website again, look under my bio, machinequilting.live. Once you get there, click the bio, and you'll see this cover with a link on where you can purchase yours. And if you purchase one and I see you in person, I will be happy to sign it. Even saying that sounds weird to me, but yeah, I think it's a blessing. Yeah. Wanted to share that. It's kind of exciting.